Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm glad to see you all. I'm so happy to see you all. This is my first video actually. I'd like to share with you my memories, unforgettable memories, adventures, challenges, and everything in between. I'd like also to share with you some interesting places that you would like to see, would like to visit one day. I'm sure of that. I think also this channel will be like daily life vlogs and daily life routines and everything in between. So if you are just interested in this stuff, if you'd like to subscribe, it's okay. I would like to see you always in my channel. Also, I'm welcoming every comment. I would like also to share with you some interesting stuff about life in a view that you would never seen before. If you are interested, just keep with me and subscribe to my channel.
Shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment that you captured, just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring. The superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder. Homie grows hotter. He blows. It's all over. These is all on him. Coast to coast shows. He's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, 'cause here goes the cold water. The clothes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. So the soap opera is told and unfolded.
Then goes the cold